That's why I'm best Wario Tri-State, but not best Kirby Tri-State.
Oh, got it.
Wario's a character for babies. Anyone with a brain can pick him up.
Shit.
Not true, by the way.
If it's okay, I'm gonna kick you off.
Okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Can I? Yeah.
Oh, hey, Dad.
Hi, kiddo.
Well, I'm gonna be leaving for Dad.
Yeah. Thank you, son.
You're a bunch of good kids, you are.
I'm not a good kid.
All right, get out of here then. Get out of here, you degenerate. Hi guys, it's Phantom.
It is.
I like the fire for the spacing. Although he gets two shorties
died.
and then died?
He didn't
Wow.
grab the ledge.
Yeah,
He got like.
Yeah, he got the PK fire.
He got the 60
again.
frame. I think he got the 60 frame and like the you can't grab the ledge after that.
Yeah.
I don't think that's what happened, but that's might have been what happened. Shut the door. PKChris is currently.
Yeah, I mean that cost him because Ness can just hang back. He can just throw. He can throw PK fires. And really, what he should be doing with all those Hadokens, he should be eating those and rolling out of it immediately. That's why I mean he's basically
like
a kill percent for sure you, and
yeah,
especially
sure
now.
He is now 100% a kill percent. But PKChris' SDI is very good, so he might be able. You can just like probably SDI out of an up tilt.
With Ness at look at that, look at that,
and then
nice. Oh, totally missed the follow up though.
With focus.
No grab back though. I guess it wouldn't have killed.
Just got hit.
Yeah, he's living.
I heard it from the other room.
Yeah. Hearing it about 2 seconds before we see it on the stream. He's got to get that grab.
Yep, he's got a. Wheezer can theoretically win this, but I don't think it's very likely.
Now see, I'm surprised when he goes after him like that, he doesn't throw out the forward air, because it's going to eat up the focus.
Well, there goes PKChris.
He gets into probably about
taunts,
50.
so he's probably going to lose now.
Oh yeah, I mean that's karma.
It's karma.
If he gets into probably 50, he's probably a kill percent.
Like, he's at 9.
I mean,
I feel like he's probably he's dead. Dead.
I was gonna say it was just sitting there reading for a back air, reading for a back throw.
Reading for something. I don't like this the color that Wheezer uses.
Oh, puke Ryu?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's like pea soup.
It's like.
Alright, so my guess.
He banned Town.
Yeah, I was gonna say Town's gonna get banned. He's probably gonna take him.
I don't know.
Lilat is actually not a terrible idea. I mean, I know most people are against it.
I like Lilat.
I use it as a counter pick, especially
for
Lilat
against Ness because
it screws up a lot of what he does. It's going to screw up
Sometimes
PK
you can't
fire.
recover.
Yeah, you have to adjust your angles kind of on the fly, which is hard to do once you commit it. And Ryu's basically got it straight up.
So
yeah, it's just not happening.
Unless I'm recovering super low, in which case
unless it tilts up away from you, that's the only way I can see.
A lot of times
really
I just don't recover low.
Yeah. Well, with Kirby, you don't have to. You have enough jumps to get there.
Yeah, except
See, Battlefield it's a weird pick to me. Although I mean, I guess it's pretty standard height.
It's big.
Yeah. What's the thing? Like to me, Ryu doesn't want big. He wants you stuck.
He wants
small. I would have thought.
I mean, I think Ryu on Battlefield can work in some matchups.
Yeah. And to be fair, with what he could do with
if
with
you're
Nair,
playing a character that cannot kill Ryu,
yeah,
I would work very well. But the thing is, that Ness can kill Ryu.
Yeah.
So maybe he wants to live longer. I don't know. I don't know if I want to take. I don't know what other stage you want to go. Like, I don't know. Maybe Lilat, but if he doesn't want to go Lilat, I don't know if I'd want to take Ness to FD.
As Ryu, I would have thought Smashville.
Yeah, but like, haha, Ness on Smashville. Classic phrase.
There we go. That's just what I was trying to say before. Is he's got to punish that before he touches down. I'm trying to wait. He's gonna get away.
I was gonna say something like, why do people try to punish focus when you could just not? But then I remember that I play a character that to just dodge it, so
You just duck.
it just duck and it can't hit me.
I mean, to be fair, it's like
Wake Up
anything.
Shoryu.
It's yeah. That's a thing in Smash too. Look at that.
Wake Up
FGC.
Shoryu.
I mean, you want to you want to punish anything, there's no reason not to try to punish focus. And most characters with a decent grab, if he whiffs, can get in there. Oof. Can't believe Ness's giant head didn't get caught by the donkey kick. He was trying to read that air dodge hard. Now Ryu's heavy. Like I don't know if mid stage back throw is actually gonna kill him at this point.
Yeah, that's gonna kill it.
Up air will do it.
Up air is strong. I hate it.
I think it's stronger than DK's.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Imagine if Ness could ding dong. Up air is like a really good move.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Alright.
See, I like that he's not just going for the Shoryu there.
I mean, if I was in that situation, I think I would have gone for Shoryu. He's got Ness combo.
Oh, alright. I would have thought another fair to reset on the platform.
Just playing it safe.
Yeah, it's his game now. He can play at the pace that he wants to.
He tried to show
there you go.
Ryu can do that.
Yep.
Yeah, hit with a bat.
He's living now.
Ryu's heavy.
Good. Solid read. I missed the recovery though. Doesn't count.
Shut the PKChris.